Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to increase the ringer volume of your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to tell you the reason of the lower ringer volume of your iPhone. If you have an iPhone near you, then the ringer volume is maybe a little bit down, and if the iPhone is placed far away, a little bit away from you, then the volume is high. Why this happening? There is a feature in your iPhone. If this feature is unable, then you will face this kind of issue. To disable this feature, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on Touch ID or Face ID and put your iPhone passcode or unlock your iPhone. Under Touch ID or Face ID, you have a feature here. The feature is Attention Aware feature. If this feature is unable, then you will face these kind of problems. Now, disable this feature. Disable this feature, go back to settings. Here we have to tap on sounds and increase the iPhone volume. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.